In my video guide, I will provide you with some instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site Adblock Unlim. Adblock Unlim is a dangerous pop-up. It is dangerous because it presents itself as some Chrome update. It is presented as some important update for Chrome. But this information is absolutely faulty. This is a fake Chrome update. You should not trust such deceptive pop-ups by adblockunlim.com. Such pop-ups may periodically appear in your browser as a result of some adware. So we recommend you to leave this page and don't trust its deceptive content. We also recommend that you investigate your computer additionally with the help of reliable security software. We recommend you to do it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.